Hey you guys, it's your SD bestie Tiffany Simons, owner and operator of Faces by Tiffany Beauty Bar. So today we have my best friend. She comes every 4 weeks to get a half face wax. And today we wanted to use the Purple Seduction wax by Sexy Smooth Wax. Her hair doesn't necessarily grow in a certain direction, so it really doesn't matter which way I lay the wax. You will see I start from left to right and then from right to left. That's how I do her waxes because, like I said, it's not really directional. Her hair doesn't grow in like a certain direction. This wax does a really amazing job of picking up those stubborn hairs that your clients might have in the lip and chin area. This hair tends to be a little bit more coarser than like the fine vellus hair that you remove when you're doing, like, let's say, a dermaplaning. This is what you would call terminal hair. Your terminal hair is going to be the hair on your head, the hair on your eyebrows, the hair on your underarms, the hair in your Brazilian area. That is terminal hair. The hair that's growing underneath your chin and on your top of your lip, that's terminal hair as well. So it's not fine vellus baby hair. So it's making it a little bit more coarser. This wax does a really, really good job of just picking it up, okay? I wax her every month the same time, Saturday at 2:30. And I didn't tell her that I was using a new wax today. She just knew. And that's one of the things a lot of my clients have been saying with this wax is that they can tell that I'm using something different. I'm asking them, is this a good or bad thing? They say, no, it just feels like this wax is gripping the hairs. I said, I love to hear it. So normally in this area right here that I'm waxing, my best friend gets a lot of ingrown hairs and I have to spend quite a time just getting her ingrown hairs out. Well, today with this wax, it pulled up even those ingrown hairs, so I didn't have to spend any time tweezing that area. That's never happened, you guys. Also, with me doing brow waxes, what I've been doing lately, instead of tweezing, because you know after you do a brow wax, there's these little hairs there and you want to go ahead and tweeze them so you can make that line very sharp and crisp like everybody likes. I've been noticing with the Purple Seduction wax, I am able to use that to go get those small hairs, and so I'm having to tweeze way less. That's amazing. 10 out of 10. Highly recommend this wax. Why is it amazing that this wax is allowing me to use the tweeze less? Well, I don't have to spend a lot of time after work washing my tweezers out. And two, tweezing really does hurt. That's like the most uncomfortable part about waxing for a lot of clients. So if I can eliminate that step and make the waxing service as comfortable as possible, I'm definitely going to do that. So you guys can see I am laying the wax the opposite of where I laid that soft wax. And it just did a really good job of getting those small, tiny hairs, and I didn't have to tweeze. This wax by Sexy Smooth Wax, the Purple Seduction Wax, is 10 out of 10. Highly recommend. I'm pretty much sold. I really do think I'm just going ahead and place a bulk order for my beauty bar. I really love this wax, you guys. Give them a follow. Let them know that I sent you. If you're an esthetician, if you tried this wax, let me know. I want to hear your thoughts about it. Thank you guys so much for the support. And don't forget to share this video to get some more traffic over here to my TikTok, because my engagement has went really down, you guys. I don't know what's going on with TikTok these days. Bye.